hope you never need this video. But if you're ever stuck in a car, do you know how to save yourself? There's a small button on our seat. Press it, and the seat will fold forward. Then we can climb into the trunk. On the trunk's door panel, there's an emergency escape switch. It's this one. Push it down, turn the white knob up, and the trunk will open. That's your emergency escape. There are many such emergency switches in your car. Some save money, some save lives. I'll tell you about all of them today. For instance, if your car won't shift gears, don't call a tow truck yet. Let's open this dust cover. See the yellow button inside? Insert your key there. Now you can shift without the brake. If your brakes fail while driving, don't panic. Just hold the e-brake switch for 3 seconds. This will bring the car to a steady stop. If your screen freezes or crashes, don't waste money on repairs. Instead, press and hold the menu and power buttons simultaneously. The screen will reset. See? Good as new. Can't open the door due to a dead key fob? No worries. Look under the door handle. There's an emergency keyhole. Let me show you. It's this small hole. Take out the mechanical key and insert it into this hole. Pry it up to reveal the lock cylinder. Insert the key and turn to unlock the door. How's that? Pretty useful, right? Like and follow.